Ronnie Coleman is a member of the PSO1 Global Security Group. To see if any PSOs are currently applied to Ronnie, we can use dsgit from the command prompt using his distinguished name. If the command returns dsgit succeeded without any additional information, it means the default domain policy is currently being applied. So let's head to ADSI Edit, dig down to System and the Password Settings container. Right-click, New, and select Object. The common name is a friendly name for this policy. We'll use PSO1 for reference. Password settings precedence is used when a user is a member of two groups that are subject to multiple password policies, so think metrics for this. We'll enter 1. Password reversible encryption isn't needed for this example and is generally bad security practice, so we'll set this to false. Password history length is the required number of passwords a user will have to cycle before returning to their original password. We'll enter 5. Password complexity will be set to false for this example. Minimum password length is the minimum number of characters required. We'll make this nice and simple and set it to 3. Minimum password age is the time a password must be kept before it can be changed. Enter this in a days, hours, minutes, seconds format. So for 1 day, enter 010000. Maximum password age is entered in the same way as the minimum password age. We'll set this to 90 days. Lockout threshold is how many times the password can be entered incorrectly before the account is locked out. Observation window is the time in which incorrect passwords are logged. For example, if we set 5 for the lockout threshold and 20 minutes for this, if more than 5 incorrect passwords are typed within a 20-minute period, the account will get locked out. Lockout duration is the time an account will stay locked out if it meets the previous 2 requirements. Select more attributes. Change the selector property to view to PSO applies to. Open ADSI and make sure Advanced Features is enabled in the View menu. Open the Security group, select Attribute Editor and double-click on the Distinguished Name attribute. We can copy and paste this into ADSI Edit. Click Add, then OK, then Finish. Our first policy has been created. We can verify this policy is applied to Ronnie by rerunning the dsgit command from earlier. This time you can see it also lists the PSO we just created. We can also change his password in ADSI to confirm.